So we've got all these tools inside of Microsoft Excel that are going to assist you in having the ability to audit an Excel worksheet, or larger scale, the workbook itself. And we've seen trace precedents, trace dependents, and we've seen the watch window. Great techniques, very powerful techniques to help you audit a worksheet and take a look at formulas. Now I want to show you one more here, and this is a super quick feature. This is called show formulas. Now once again, here's the scenario. A coworker sent you a workbook. They've asked you, hey, can you take a look at this, make sure everything looks right, make sure my calculations are actually accurate before we print this out or send it off to our managers. Well, I could open up the workbook like what I have open in front of you. I'm on the formula auditing worksheet, and I could go cell to cell and just confirm, okay, yep, B5 through B9 looks good, C5 through C9, great, looks good, D5 through, okay, and so on, selecting all these cells here that contain formulas. Well, me doing that manually, I'm probably going to miss something. So here's a really quick way to assist us in managing and auditing these formulas. And it's a more visual, at one glance, be able to see all the formulas. Up on your Formula tab, top of your screen, underneath Formula Auditing, there's a button called Show Formulas. And like I said, super quick, super simple. You give that button a click. This expands all your formulas. Look at that. I love these simple things. They make my life simple. Then I can see all the formulas right there at a glance. If I scroll through, I can see those larger formulas. There's the if statements and so on. But one button press, and it's a toggle button. If I go right back up there and hit that button again, show formulas, it'll collapse them, zip them back up again. No longer seeing the formulas. And great thing here, if I show the formulas, I can go to my File tab, and I can go to Print, and I can actually print it out showing the formulas. So if you want to make corrections, right, you get in there with your highlighter, your red marker, you print it out, start circling things, right? We need to fix this here. You need to jump back into the document, make this adjustment, so on and so on. You can print out the Show Formulas feature here. I'll hit my back arrow. I'm going to toggle it back off, take me back to my default document. Simple, simple, and quick button press, toggle button, showing and hiding your formulas. Try it out. One button press.